I hope you all are very well. So today I am going to speak about SWOT analysis. That is known as very important for everyone. Friends, in our life one day comes when we make a decision. It doesn't matter whether you are a working professor and you are a owner of any company, and you are a businessman and you are a student. You are anyone, you will have to take the decision in their life. Why? Because it's depend on your decision. How will be your future? So now I will discuss about SWOT analysis in detail. That means strength, weakness, opportunity and threat. Strength and weakness are internal factor, while opportunity and threat are external factor. So anyone can use of this technique, whether you are a owner and you are a student. So it will be very helpful for everyone. SWOT is a technique for which we analyze on their own before taking decision. It is also known as a self-analysis technique. If you are taking any decision in their life, suppose your business decision, your personal decision, you will have to ask these things from themselves. Why? Because every company use of this to make a strategy. So first of all, let me tell you about strength. That means what do you do better than others. If you are taking any decision in their life, if you are thinking about future study, which decision I am taking to do of this, what is my strength and how can I do of these things, that's called strength. As an organization we can say like this: unique selling price, brand name, cost effectiveness. That means USP, in which condition your business is better from your competitor. If you have a unique from others, for which you got to know the brand name of Dell is very popular. The most important thing is that whenever Dell will be sell of their product, they will not face difficulty during selling. They can sell easily of their product. Second one is knowing your weakness. No one is such person which don't have a weakness in this world. If you have a weakness, it is not bad thing. Everyone has a weakness. Firstly, you will have to ask these things from themselves, how we can improve their weakness. As an organization, who is such area where company have to need improve, and who is such factor that is reducing company cost. Third one is opportunity. That means if you are a student right now, if you want to go in that field, you want to know after doing this course what will we have opportunity, in which field I will get opportunity. So it is very crucial to know it for everyone. Third one is threat. You must analyze threat before taking decision. In every company and in everywhere you will see the threat. There are many kind of threat. If you are going to give interview, so interviewer will say you, if you know about Excel, if you don't know about Excel, it is also known as your threat. If you have a need 3 language to get a job, but you know only 1 language, which language you don't know, it's your threat. As an organization we can say like this: as we all know right now this pandemic is going on in all over the world. So it can be threat for every company, and your competitor is your threat. If you are not able to fulfill the desire, needs and wants, satisfaction of their customers, so it may be threat. What is your disadvantage? It can be threat. So thank you friend for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel and like my video and share my video.